What's up guys, it's TPR Autos. We're back with another video on this TT. As you can see, it's had a very big front end impact. Basically in this video, I'm just going to show you guys around the car and then I'm going to basically show you fixing it up. I'm actually going to fix it up and document all of this one because I've not been very good with it, but yeah, let's show you around the car. So here it is. The bonnet is stuck down, can't get it open, so basically I'm thinking cut a hole with a grinder to try and get it open. The car runs and drives, it's in okay shape, needs a couple bits doing. We gave it a clean, we stripped all the bits off of it, all the damaged bits. There's a bit of damage there as well, as you can see, but overall it's quite nice, to be fair. It's a 2014 2-litre TFSI with 80,000 miles on the clock. I've dismantled some of the interior to try and get the bonnet open, but it will not go open. So let's start it up. Interior, bit of a mess. Seats are in good shape, manual, nice steering wheel. Yeah, it's quite nice, I think. Sounds alright as well. But yeah, that is it. And this is all. These are all the bits we've taken off. Obviously, the headlight damaged, grille destroyed, trim pieces, stuff like that, all destroyed, broken, and then that headlight's broken as well. But we have got two headlights. Get the keys. We've got two headlights in the boot, two fresh headlights, and over here we've got a bonnet. So basically we're going to be getting straight into it, and I've got a black front grille as well, and hopefully we can get it looking 100%. The wheels do need a refurb, so we'll do them as well. But yeah, that's basically it. Stay tuned guys, and we'll get it looking brand new. Yeah, but that's a wrap for this video, just showing you around the TT. Let me know what you guys think I should do. Should I get some different alloys? Should I make it look like a TTS, or should I just keep it standard? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.